Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Manpreet and this is the look that I'm going to create today. Let's get started. And one more thing, please, I cannot go to my studio because of the this lockdown, so just ignore my background. So we are going to start with eyebrows. Here I have used Elegant brow gel to fill my brows. There are so many brow gels available in the market, and this time I have used Elegant. So here I have used Tarte as a concealer that I'm going to apply on my eye, and that is going to create a complete clean canvas for applying my eyeshadow. It really works very good on my eye. Actually, I really like the concealer. It is very thick. It really makes my eye area really smooth for my eye makeup. Here you have to apply with a little precision so that you don't put concealer on your eyebrows because we have already done our eyebrows. Here I'm setting it with brush because I really don't want to see any harsh lines of concealer on my eyes, and I'm doing the same thing on my next eye. Here I have taken a black eyeshadow on my blending brush, and now I'm going to apply it in my crease. Really, you have to be very slow in the beginning, and then gradually you are going to build your eye color. And here I'm doing blending and blending because I really want to mix the color because I don't want any harsh lines on my eyes. And I'm doing the same thing on my next eye. I'm just blending the black color in my crease with very soft hands and very lightly. You have to be like very slow in the beginning if you are a beginner. Next, here I have taken blue pigment. It's a blue loose pigment that I have used on my eyes. I am blending the blue color with my black eyeshadow that I had applied earlier, and now I'm going to apply eyeliner. Here I have used black gel eyeliner from Maybelline. It's a really good eyeliner, and I really like the consistency. And now I have applied my eyelashes, and sorry guys, I have skipped the video, and if you guys want to see how to apply eyelashes, let me know in my comments and I will make another separate video for that. And now I have used a Perenne moisturizer because I have a very dry skin, and you always have to apply a good moisturizer before applying any foundation. And now I'm going to correct my skin. As you can see that I have very dark areas around my mouth, and I'm going to correct it with the orange concealer. And now I'm going to correct my dark circles with the same color corrector. Here I have used Nykaa palette for correcting my skin, and those who have very light dark circles, they really don't need to apply this much corrector to their skin. They can use like very little. And now I'm going to apply the same on my forehead because I have a very dark pigmentation over my forehead, and I want to correct all the dark areas that I have on my skin. And now I'm going to blend it with my sponge, and you can use beauty blender or you can use your brush to blend your corrector. Now this is the time for foundation. I have used Maybelline foundation shade 220 and toffee color because I really never find the same exact shade for my skin tone, as I have a whitish to dusky skin. And now I'm going to apply all over my face, and I'm going to blend it with my sponge. You have to dab your sponge into your skin. You really don't need to like drag it. You have to just only dab it. And here I have applied the same foundation on my neck because I really don't want my neck to highlight. Next, now I'm going to apply concealer over my highlighted areas like on my cheeks, on my nose, and on my forehead. So I have applied here my concealer with my brush. Now on my forehead, next on my chin, and now I'm going to blend it with my same sponge. You have to blend it very well. And now I'm going to apply concealer on my jaw area because I really want to create that illusion. Actually, I have a very chubby face and I just want my face to look slimmer. And now I'm going to apply concealer near my mouth, and here I'm doing the same thing on my next cheek. I have used the same concealer that I have used earlier. There are so many concealers available in the market, and this is summertime, so I have used Maybelline Matte Finish Concealer in light shade. I'm going to apply it on my chin, above my lips, and on my bridge of nose. Now I'm blending everything with my sponge very precisely. Blending is the key factor for a good makeup base, so you have to do blending and blending. Now this is time for the contouring part. Here I have used LA Girl concealer for my contouring. Even you can use Maybelline concealer, like any other concealer you like. Now I'm going to do it contouring on my nose area because I really want to look my nose slimmer. And now I'm going to blend it with my brush. It's an angular brush. You have to blend it on my forehead because I have a very broad forehead and I want it to look a little bit smaller. And now I'm doing the same thing on my another cheek and on bridge of my nose. All you have to do is blending and blending. Now again I have used Maybelline concealer because I want to highlight my areas, and that is going to create a great illusion. And I'm blending it with my sponge. You have to blend it properly. As you guys can see, there is a huge difference now on my skin, on my face. There is time to use a compact powder to seal everything. You can use any face powder. Here I have used Faces Canada face powder. I really like it because it also has SPF. This is the time for baking, and here I have used Makeup Revolution loose powder in banana shade, and I'm going to just dab it into my skin with the help of a puff. It really helps me to give me a very smooth finish, just like airbrush. Doing the same thing on another side of my face. You just have to press that powder into your skin and leave it there for around 4 to 5 minutes because it really helps you to give you a long lasting makeup, and this is the time for snacks in between because it really took me a long time to do my makeup. And now it's time for contouring, and here I have used pack palette for contouring, and I have used the darkest color, and I'm doing the same thing on the areas wherever I have applied liquid concealer for my contouring. I have used a pack brush to blend everything. I'm also applying the contouring powder over my forehead because as I have said earlier that I really have very big forehead and I just want it to look a little bit smaller. And please don't forget to apply contouring powder on your jawline because it really helps you to make your face slimmer because I have double chin also. And I'm doing the same thing with my nose because here again I want to make my nose look slimmer and smaller. Now I'm going to just dust off the banana powder that I have applied earlier with my big puff brush. And doing the same thing on the other side. And all over face wherever you have applied your loose powder because I don't want to make my face look cakey. It's taking some time. It really helps you to give you a long-lasting makeup whenever you're going for a party or like you know that you are going to spend a lot of time with your friends or in a party, so you must have to do baking. This is the time for mascara. I have applied mascara over my lower lash, and here I have used Maybelline mascara in jet black color. I really like it. It is really long lasting and make my lashes very big. And now I'm going to apply blush. I like blush so much that I'm just going to drench my cheeks into that, and I'm going to like apply a lot of blush. You can say that I'm a blush girl. And this is blush from Benefit Cosmetics in California shade. I really like the color. It's very pinky, you can say like orangey shade. I really like this color. And I'm going to just apply above my contouring, and this is the time for setting my makeup with setting spray. I have used Makeup Studio spray to lock everything because we have used so much powders, and it really helps to melt and settle everything. And now I'm going to use highlighter, and I'm going to use highlighter everywhere wherever I want to just highlight my areas, like over my cheeks, over my nose, a little bit on my lips. Here I have used BECCA highlighting palette. Actually it's a limited palette and I don't think so now it's available in the market. It has 4 to 5 shades in that palette, and here you can see that I'm applying it just above my blush and now on my lips because I really want to like highlight this area of my lips with the same brush, and that brush is from Wet n Wild. And now this is the time for lipstick. Here I'm just going to outline my lip area because I'm very bad at lipstick, and I'm just applying it over my like outer lines so that my lipstick doesn't go out. and I have used coffee shade from MAC. Now I'm going to apply a nude shade from a Maybelline in my inner side of the lips. I just want to mix these two colors because it really gives me the color that I want. And now this is the time for gloss. Here I have used pack gloss that you can easily buy from Nykaa. It's easily available there. And it all depends upon availability. Most of the time products are like out of stock there. And I really want my lips to be plumpy, so I have used gloss over my lipstick. So this is the final look, and now I'm setting my hair. So if you guys forget, I must remind you that we have turned that girl into this glamorous girl. So here you can see that makeup creates a lot of difference. Everyone is beautiful. I'm just here to like teach you guys like how you can enhance your beauty. Makeup really helps you to enhance your features, your everything. Hope you guys like my video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos. So see you guys soon in my next video.